channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1512, number of good pairs in JavaScript. It's considered an easy problem. Normally I solve these before I do these videos, but looking at this one, I know exactly how I'm going to do it. It seems simple enough, so I'm just going to go for it. Here's the description. Given an array of integers, nums return the number of good pairs. A pair, I, j, is called good if nums at I equals nums at j and I is less than j. All right, so we're given this array nums, and our output is 4. It says there are 4 good pairs. These are their indexes, 0 and 3, so 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 4, so 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 3 and 4, 1 and 1, 2 and 5, 2 and 5, 3 and 3, so we get an output of 4. So those are the 4 good pairs. So I think this is going to be pretty easy to solve. All we need to do is, well, let's move to CodePen. I like to work there. Let's grab our variable. Oops, I forgot to get rid of this. My bad. And then let's create our variable. Comment on our output. Let's create our function. So I'll get to the console. Okay. So what we can do is we can use a nested for loop, right? So we can start with 1, and we can our outer loop will be at 1, and our inner loop will start here. And so our inner loop will loop through the rest of the numbers. So we check if these numbers are equal. And since the inner loop is always going to have an index higher than the index of the outer loop, we don't even need to check that. We just need to check if these numbers are equal. If they are, create a result variable. We increment result, right? So our outer loop will be at 1, inner loop will be at 2. Check are those the same or not. Our inner loop increments, are those the same or not? Our inner loop increments, check if those are the same. They are, so we increment result. We increment the inner loop again. We check if they're the same. They are, so we increment result. And then we get to the last number, check that. They're not the same, so we don't increment. Then our outer loop moves to 2, and we go through the same process. We check each number. None of them the same, so we don't increment anything. Our outer loop moves to 3. We check each number. When we get to this 3 here, we see they're the same. So we increment to 3. I think you get the point. All right. So let's code that out. So for let I equals 0. If I is less than nums.length, I++, and then we do an inner loop, so for let j equal I plus 1, because we always want to start after I. If j, if j is less than nums.length, j++, and so we simply just say if nums at I is equal to nums at j, results plus, and then we can just return a result. And this should be all we need to do. Well, we need to return it though. There you go. We get 4. Fantastic. All right, let's grab all our code and make sure this works. Leetcode. Let's paste it in. Let's format it. Run the tests. And let's submit it. Fantastic. Alright, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.